So my sister finally made up her dang mind on what spoiler she wanted for her EcoBoost. The hardest part right now is gonna be, and the most annoying part, is taking all this freaking residue off from the previous spoiler. I don't even know why they even added it. The only good thing that came out of that is it came with the pre-drilled holes, because if it had no spoiler at all, obviously we're gonna have to drill those holes, so that helped out a lot. But now this is the toughest and most time-consuming part right now. Slowly we've been progressing, but man, it'll leave your finger super red. It's actually already burning. We've gotten some of it out of the way, not too much. I'm gonna try a different method. I have a pressure washer. I'm gonna see if that helps at all. I know it's not recommended, and I've never heard anybody try this method, but it doesn't hurt to try. I know, guys, I should have gotten Goo Gone, and I totally forgot, and I was just really lazy right now to go to Walmart and buy it. It's Sunday, so I really just didn't want to go get it. But hopefully this works, and if it works, well then all of you guys who have never tried it, now you know. If you have a pressure washer, might get the job done pretty fast. Strike 2 on that one, guys. That didn't really help. It did tear off some of the 3M, like right here, just pretty much like knocked down like a layer of 3M, but it's still on there. The good thing is I cleaned up the area pretty well now, so I guess I'm gonna have to go to Walmart, get some Goo Gone, and actually just rub everything down the proper way. So to install it, guys, it's pretty easy. You're gonna have 4 bolts. Obviously you need to take off this right here, just with some pull pins, push pins, pull them out. I just did halfway through, took them out, and you're gonna have a bolt here and another bolt right there, another one there, and lastly the other one here. Once those 4 are out, you'll go ahead and just start prying off the spoiler, which is pretty difficult because it's stuck onto the 3M, and Ford does a good job with 3M. So you're gonna have to pull it off, and then once it's yanked off like y'all saw previously, you're gonna have to remove all this 3M, which I'm currently working on doing right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and just try test fitting the spoiler and just try to bolt everything down, see how it looks. What a freaking difference that makes. Look at that. Look at this. I don't even know why Ford even added this on there. Honestly, it didn't even make a difference. Here she is, guys. She is looking really nice. I wanted to make this video just because some of you guys were actually wondering what's the update on my sister's car. Well, I guess this is her first biggest mod, the performance pack spoiler in gloss black, guys, and it looks really nice. Totally makes a big difference. I think I'm gonna tell her to see if we can get that RTR. It's the gurney flap that goes here. Just adds a little bit more aggressiveness to the look of it, but not too shabby. We did add these tinted side markers as well, nothing too big. And the inside, we do have some of the wicked fiber, carbon fiber center console. I told her that she should get everything, but she said she wanted to keep it simple with this. Maybe the radio. She says she actually likes the silver dashboard, which is kind of weird. But that's all we have done to the car so far. A few more mods are gonna be coming in soon, guys, so stay tuned for that. Man, that makes a big difference on the way the car looks. I'm gonna try to get her reaction here in a bit, see if she likes it as much as I do. So, you approve? You like it? Take it for a ride. What else do you want to do to it? Oh, louvers. Oh, y'all heard that? She knows what they're called, louvers and side scoops. All right, I do have some stuff coming in already, but she does want those. That's pretty much it, man. She's sitting pretty nice, pretty stock, but that spoiler does make a big difference. One thing she didn't like about the S550s was that it was pretty plain back here. Like, she didn't like the dip, and it was just bald right there. That's gonna wrap it up, guys. I hope you all did enjoy the video. Just quickly wanted to mod her car. I know a lot of people have been telling me what's the update on her car. Again, mods are coming in soon. She's been patient. She's been telling me, hey, when is the stuff coming? When is the stuff coming? And I'm like, hey, slow down. Like, it's coming down. We don't want to build it all like right away, so we're gonna do it step by step, but it's coming along. But I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.